Everybody cough in my face. Do it. Somebody come cough in my face. Yes, cough directly in my face. Freedom! 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 Freedom!
Open up! You cannot do this to people. You're an American, a born free American. Rise up!
Nobody's really dying of this thing. I never did put on hand sanitizer ever, and I don't ever wash my hands. Every conspiracy I've pretty much ever heard of is all pretty much true. 9/11 was an inside job, all right? The vaccines are poison, all right? No one's ever walked on the moon. I used to be afraid of raw eggs and raw meat, and now I drink raw eggs, and I eat raw meat, and I have been for years, and I'm fucking fine. It makes your immune system stronger. Can you cough in my face? They're too scared to even cough when you ask them to.